We're going to go ahead and replace our blow motor resistor. It is located at the bottom side of our blow motor right down here. I'm going to go ahead and pop this tube off right here. Tuck this up and away on the side here. I'm going to use a pick and come down here to this connector and reach down there, pull up on that little lock tab, get our harness disconnected, pull it up and out of the way. Using a 5/16 socket, there is a bolt on each side of our blow motor resistor. And go ahead, loosen and remove those. Let's get and put our resistor in here. Now you want to pay attention to the notches on the bottom. That is a position that this wants to be installed in. So go ahead and lower our resistor down into position here. I'm going to go ahead and reach down and try and get one of these bolts started by hand. Just get it caught a couple threads. I'm going to go ahead and reach down and get the other one installed. Then once both of those are in, I'm going to go ahead and snug those down. Just going to bring it down and line that up. Press it in, you'll feel that snap into place. Then we'll go ahead and install our connector right here for a rubber boot. Press that on. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.